channel Learn with Sudheras. Today we will do addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. This is the topic of grade 1. Grade 1 students need to know about addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. Hope my video will help you to teach your kids in easy way. Let's start. Mm, yes, addition of two-digit number. Now we have learned to add one-digit numbers. Um, Previously we have learned to add one-digit number. Now we will learn how to add two-digit numbers. We need to follow these steps to add two-digit numbers. First of all, if we need to add two-digit number, for example, here we need to add 62 and 23. So we will follow these two steps, like write the number in column form. First step is we need to write the numbers in column form. Column forms is that like we know about these number. These are two-digit number. The digit which is on the right side, it is the ones digit, and the number which is on the left side, it is tens digit. So we need to write in ones and tens column. Here we have written both the numbers in tens and ones column. So the second steps is add ones and then add tens. uh, we Now we add ones digit. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, and then we will add tens digit. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. So we will get the result, means we will get the addition sum of these two numbers is 85. So our answer is 85. Now we will do addition with carrying, or we can say regrouping. uh, and for doing these we need to follow these steps. I have written these steps here, like write the numbers in column form as in the first question we have done. Then second step, add numbers in the ones column. Again we need to add the number in ones column, like we have done before. Then step 3, if we get sum in two-digit number, then carry the number which is on the tens place to tens column. Here I can give one example. Like example, we need to add 16 plus 18, and I have written these numbers in columns, in tens column and ones column. Then I have added these two numbers, 8 plus 6, mm, which the sum of 8 plus 6 is 14, which is two-digit number. So 4 we can write here, and the number 1, which is on the tens place, it will go to the tens column. So we write it. We write that this one is here. So we can add this in the tens column, like 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. We write 4 in ones column and carry 1 to tens column. Then add 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. So our answer is 34. Hope you can understand. And This is the second example I have given here, like add 35 and 17. I have written the numbers in column form, like ones. In ones column I have written 5 and 7, and then in tens column I have written 3 and 1. Then we need to add first a ones column. 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. So we write 2 here and carry this one to tens column. So now we will add tens column. 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is 5. So the sum is 52. Then we can do a subtraction of two-digit number. Now we have learned addition of two-digit number. I think it is easy for you to teach your kids, and it is easy for kids to. Now we will learn how to subtract two-digit number. Mm, for subtraction of two-digit number, you need to follow these steps. First step is the same as we done in uh, addition of two-digit number. Write the numbers in column form, then subtract ones and then tens. Here you should need to remember one thing: always write bigger number on top. If we need to subtract 23 from 47, so 47 is a bigger number, we need to write this number on the top. Then we need to subtract as before we have done in addition, like subtract in the ones column first, then in the tens column. Here 7 minus 3 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2, so we will get our answer is 24. Then subtraction with carrying. Now we will do subtraction with carrying. Now we will follow the following steps. Like first step, write the numbers in column form. Remember, again I have written that tip, that remember always write bigger number on the top. And here we have taken example of two numbers, like subtract 18 from 45. So check, in second step we need to do check digit at ones place. We need to check digit at ones place. Here we have 5 and 8. We need to subtract 8 from 5, but 5 is less than 8. Then how we can subtract 8 from 5? So we what we can do, we will carry 1 from 4 tens, 1 10 from 4 tens. So we, when we borrow 110, it will be 10 ones, means here we can say 1 and 5. 10 ones plus 5 ones is equals to 15. When we borrow 110 from 4, we will get 10 plus 5 means 15 here, so we will cut 5 and write 15 here. Then we subtract 8 from 15, which is 7. Now from here, when we borrow 4, when we borrow 1 from 4, we get here 3, because 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So we cut 4 here and we can write 3 here. So in tens place we have 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Then we got our answer, which is 27. If we can read that steps, write the numbers in column form, then remember always write bigger number on the top. Then second step we have done check digit at ones place. If 5 is less than 8, then borrow 110 from 4 tens. Borrowed 110 is equal to 10 ones. Then in ones column, what will we have to write? That 10 ones plus 5 ones is equals to 15. We can write here 15 instead of 5. So change the tens place from 4 to 3, and we can write here 3 instead of 4. Subtract ones place. Now we get 15 minus 8 is equals to 7, which is we have written here. Then subtract the tens column. Now we get 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. We have written 2 here. So our answer is 45 minus 18 is equals to 27. I think now it is easy for kids to do subtraction of two-digit number. So I have made some activities for practice. Here the first activity, here they need to do addition of two-digit number. I have given some questions to for their practice. And this is the activity 2. Here they need to subtract the two-digit numbers. They are mixed question of simple questions, or where we need to do carry or regrouping. Then third activity is mixed problem of addition and subtraction. They need to solve the questions and match them to the required balloon or right answer. So guys, thank you so much. If my video will help you, then I feel very good, and please let me know if you have any questions, and do subscribe my channel and my website too. You can download PDFs on from my website. I will share the link in description box. Thank you guys, thank you so much.